Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool origami motorcycle. It's an easy model and you only need a square sheet of paper. In this video I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters or about 8 by 8 inches just to make it easier to see, but you can use a smaller one if you want. For the first step we need to fold the paper along both diagonals. Just bring one corner to the opposite one. Make a sharp crease. And unfold it. Then do the same with the other diagonal. And unfold that one as well. With those two diagonal lines ready, let's fold the four corners to the center. We can start with the top right corner. And then do the same with the other three. Unfold and flip the paper over. Now fold it in half. And unfold it. Then fold the right and left sides to the middle. Unfold them. And now fold it in half horizontally. Unfold. Then fold the bottom and top to the middle. And leave that folded. Pay attention here. Hold the left side closed and open the right side a little. Then bring the right side to the center of the paper and lower these two layers, creating two squares. Reinforce the folds. And repeat the same on the other side. Just open the paper a little, bring the left side to the middle, and lower the layers, creating two squares. With this base ready, open the layer on the bottom right corner and close it to the right. Then do the same with the top left corner. First open, then close to the left. For the next step, rotate the paper and flip it over. On the lower half, we need to fold this diagonal edge to the middle. Do it carefully so you don't move the layers behind it. Then bring this part up, and also bring the layers from the back side to the front. For next step, first we close this corner here, and you see that in the middle we have a triangular layer. We need to open the paper, and using the existing creases, we will fold this triangle behind the middle layers. In the end, you should have something like this. Now for the first details of the wheels, we need to fold all the 8 corners. Let's start in the middle, folding the left side first. We need to fold the paper inside like this. The same on the right. Then we fold the top corners. Then the side corners. And finally the bottom ones. Now let's go to the other side and unfold only the bottom corners. Now we need to open this part and reverse fold the corners by pushing the paper inside. Do the same with the other side. And now let's fold the first layer connecting these points here. And on the other side, fold connecting these other points here. Now on the top side, we need to fold this edge down to this diagonal here. Now fold the corner. And unfold. Open the layer with a different color and reverse fold the corner, following the lines we just made. Now let's go back to the other side. And as an optional detail, we can fold this corner in the middle. Then unfold it. Open the paper a bit and fold that corner so the paper goes behind the wheel. And that's it! Our origami is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.